are FlowGuard Gold, used for hot and cold water distribution. We're plumbing pipe. We help home builders select the right plumbing system for them. And really what that comes down to is understanding the water chemistry and understanding material science. So when you think about plumbing pipe, water impacts every single one of us. And understanding how is it disinfected? Well, in North America, we use chlorine, chloramines, and chlorine dioxide to disinfect our water, and that really has an impact on your plumbing materials. Those different disinfectants can break down polyolefin plastics like PEX, like PERT, like polybutylene. But we specifically designed FlowGuard Gold to be 100% immune to any sort of chlorine-based disinfectants in your drinking water. And we have had 13 billion feet of pipe installed since 1959.
But we work with builders all across the country to help them address the concerns with water chemistry. All across the state of Florida, extremely aggressive water causes failures in other piping materials like copper and PEX.
And really, you want to make sure that you're using the right materials. CPVC is chlorinated polyvinyl chloride, and that is one of the specific values that FlowGuard Gold brings to the table. It will never degrade under the conditions where you have chlorine, chloramines, or chlorine dioxide present.
A great example comes out of Georgia, where a service plumber partner of ours is currently engaged in the replacement of numerous copper and PEX systems that have failed due to the implementation of chlorine dioxide water treatment.
And they're repiping in FlowGuard Gold CPVC because we won't degrade under those specific aggressive water conditions. There's an emerging trend in using chlorine dioxide in your water to disinfect your water. There's a lot of really key benefits. It kills specific bacteria like Cryptosporidium, Mycobacteria avium, where chlorine and chloramines don't kill those. It's tasteless, it's odorless, and that's really a significant impact to the homeowner because chlorine can make your water taste like a swimming pool. Why does this all matter? Well, chlorine dioxide is a key disinfectant that's used in our drinking water, or it's a growing one that's used in our drinking water. And our pipe, FlowGuard Gold CPVC, it's 100% immune to chlorine dioxide. The ORP, the oxidative reduction potential of chlorine dioxide, is actually 2.6 times higher than free chlorine that we've used.
We are bringing resources and tools to the industry to educate about the rise of chlorine dioxide, the impact it can have on those plumbing systems, and how to bring the labor force forward to address this critical need.
We have put together an interactive digital map that you can see all the different pins and locations that chlorine dioxide is being used throughout the United States.
For many years, builders and contractors have looked at their plumbing system as an afterthought, something that just sits in the background and nobody's going to mess with it too much. But water chemistry is changing. And as that water chemistry evolves, it's time for builders, plumbers, and manufacturers to step up and solve these challenges.
We appreciate the opportunity to be here at the Builder Innovators, and we're excited to collaborate and work together with all of our builders for them to select the right plumbing system for them, their homes, and homeowners.